how to allow Google Chrome in your firewall settings in Windows 11. So if your Chrome browser is being blocked, I'm going to show you two ways on how to solve this issue. So first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. Now search for Windows Defender and click on the Windows Defender firewall. From the left-hand side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender. Click on the Change Settings button, and then you'll need to press Allow another app. Click on the Browse button, and now you need to locate Google Chrome. So there's two locations this could be saved in. If you click on your C drive, click on Program Files, click on Google, and then select Chrome. You can then press Application, and then you should be able to find the Chrome application, and you can go and press Open. Now select Add. Now, if you can't find the Chrome application from this folder, then it may be saved in your C drive in the Program Files x86 instead. And then you can click on Google from here, and you should have a folder called Chrome, and you can go and add the application. Now, once it's been added, just go and scroll down this list of applications, and then you should be able to find Google Chrome. Make sure private and public are both ticked like this, and then you can just press OK at the bottom of the page. Now, there's one more thing we need to do. Open up the Start menu again, type in Windows Security and click on this window. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage Settings. Scroll down again to Exclusions and press Add or Remove Exclusions. You can then press Add an Exclusion and click on Folder. Now you need to locate the Google Chrome folder. So once again, come back over to your C drive, click on either Program Files or Program Files x86, come back over to the Google folder, and then just go and add the entire Chrome folder like this. Now once you've done this, Google Chrome will be added to your Windows firewall.